401 Basics with Cooper. Hey there. I'm Cooper. And despite what my shirt says, you should probably listen to this. Today we are talking about the mysterious 401. Sounds like a robot, right? Most people hear retirement plan and their brains just immediately shut down. But it's actually just a special bucket for your future self's taco money. It's a way to save money for when you're too old to want to work. Let's break it down before I change my mind about being helpful. First thing to know, the government actually wants to help you save. Shocking, I know. When you put money in a 401, it's pre-tax. That means the tax man hasn't touched it yet. Imagine you have 10 cookies. Usually, the government takes 3 right away. With a 401, you keep all 10 cookies in the jar to grow for later. You only pay taxes when you take the cookies out much later. Lowering your taxable income now means more money in your pocket today. Now, here is the real magic. The employer match. It is literally free money. Many bosses say, if you put in $1, I will put in $1 too. Where else can you get a 100% return on your money instantly? If you don't do this, you're basically leaving a pile of cash on the table. It's like a buy one get one free sale for your retirement. Always contribute at least enough to get the full match from your company. But wait, there's more. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Your money makes money, and then that new money makes even more money. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to throw a party and multiply. Even a small amount now can turn into a huge mountain later. Time is your best friend in the world of 401s. However, there's a catch. You can't just touch this money whenever you want. If you take it out before you're 59 and a half, the government gets angry. They will slap you with a 10% penalty plus all the taxes you owed. It's like paying a giant fine just for wanting your own money back. So, pretend this money doesn't exist. It's for future you, not today you. Future you will thank you. Today you will just have to buy fewer gadgets. To recap, save automatically, get the employer match, and let it grow. It's the easiest way to become a millionaire while you sleep. Just check with your HR department to get started. It takes 5 minutes. And remember, don't trust me. I'm just a guy in a t-shirt. But seriously, go open that 401. Your future self is watching. Catch you later. Stay smart and stay rich.